Alrighty, beautiful people, what is going on? So today we're going to be making a vegan chili con carne. I'm using here a can of mixed beans and a can of regular beans. I thought I had red kidney beans in the cupboard. I didn't, so I'm just using what I've got, and that's fine. So here I've got one pack of vegan mincemeat and another one which I pre-cooked and froze a while ago. I needed to use it up anyway. So I've got here 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, teaspoon of mixed herbs, there's a bit of oregano, thyme in there, a heaped teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of sweet paprika, not the hot one. I've got here a mild chili pepper. I'm not going with super hot because my baby's going to be eating this as well. 3 cloves of garlic, add as many as you want, the more the merrier. Now this isn't traditional, but I love this. So this is very, very finely chopped celery, and you'll see that it packs such a flavour in there, and it just really adds to it. I've got here 2 medium onions, which are very finely chopped, as you can see. 3 teaspoons of gravy granules, beef flavour, but it's vegan. I've got some olive oil and some sea salt that we're going to season that with. Okay, just another tip, folks. You may need some passata here to top it up if it goes dry. So don't use water, use passata or whatever tomato-based sauce you have. So on a medium flame, I'm going in with the olive oil, straight in with the onions. Celery, I want it all combined. Now these, I'm going to sweat them down, just get them to release as much flavour as possible. Okay, so they've been going for about a minute now. Going to add in my paprika, cumin, mixed herbs. So I've just given these a quick minute and I'm adding these guys in, so the chilies. Now, as you can see, I've cut them fairly big because I want them to be visible. In fact, wait, let me take some out, just in case they're hotter than I expected. I tried a little bit earlier. So my little toddler's going to be eating these, so I don't want him to burn his mouth off. Worst case, I can always add them back in further down the line. Okay, at this stage, I'm going in with the raw vegan mincemeat. Okay, so that's been going for about a minute or 2. I'm just going to add in my frozen one as well. I used a different brand, that's why the colour's different. It's okay. As you can see, I'm making a big batch. So the good thing about this, you can refrigerate it and it will be good for a few days as well, for the week. Just microwave it. At this stage, I'm going straight in with the tomatoes. Okay, now it seems that the box that I pre-froze had more than just one of these in it. It was probably about 2. So what I'm just going to do is top that up with a bit of passata. So I'm just using this. Okay, because I still want there to be a sauce in this. I'm just going to give that a stir now. Overall, a very, very simple dish to make. Now what I'm going to do, we've got our gravy granules here. I'm just going to pour some water into that to dilute it. And I recommend you boiling the kettle first. I was sure it was boiled. It just makes it easier to kind of stir around. Doesn't matter if it's not 100% stirred in, because you're going to be mixing this all in anyway, and it's just going to get you the flavours all together. Now the beans! Opa. I'm gutted, I really wanted all red kidney beans. So for the photo on the thumbnail, I'm going to actually push these guys to the top so people don't think I'm an idiot by adding random beans in there. But because you're watching, you already know the story behind it, so that's all good. I'll just try and remove some of the white ones from the photo. And we're just going to add in some salt. By the way, you can always top up a bit of spices if you feel that it needs at any point. Like I said, the batch of mincemeat that I had frozen over was a lot more than what I expected it to be, so I'm just giving it a top up with the flavours. And just adapt it as you go along. Also, if you like this hotter, you can also just add chili powder to it. There's no rules here, you just... As long as you've got your red beans and the mincemeat and the tomato base, and the chilies, that's basically the foundation of it. Other than that, you just feel free to experiment, do what you want. And this is it, folks, pretty much. Just once that's cooked, serve it with rice and you're good to go. And here we have it, beautiful people. Uncle Lou's vegan chili con carne. So this one goes out to For Animal Kind on TikTok. Thank you very, very much for requesting this. Super appreciated. And I want to give you a massive, massive thanks for all the love and support you've shown me. Guys, just a little secret. I ran out of coriander or cilantro to sprinkle on, so I just chopped up some pak choy, but we won't tell anybody. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, or no animals or animal products on this channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe and leave a comment down below. I love seeing your comments, and I can thank you for being super awesome too. Ciao for now, see you on the next one.